Lapit ka. Lapitan mo sila, Mickey.
You marry her daw.
Empress, thank you so much.
Sorry.
Empress, thank you so much. Good luck sa inyo. Hug.
Group hug. Sasha? Sasha. Say mo hi, Sasha.
Hi, Shasha. Kamusta ka na, Shasha? Hope you're doing well. Alright.
Yuri talaga.
Okay. Mag-group picture naman tayo. Para group picture tayo. Post lang kayo.
Sige. Kaya na,
Yes.
Troy?
Sa gitna ko siya.
And a 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1.
Picture.
Yay!
Yeah! Thank you so much!
Thank you. Baka meron pa kayong gusto i-promote.
Oo nga.
Empress, baka may bago kayong song or kung
Yes.
ano man.
The floor is yours, Empress.
Patintero, meron kayo?
No, freestyle po, freestyle.
Freestyle, sige, go!
Let's go! Yes, it's a freestyle. Come on, girls!
Ayan, freestyle sila ng patintero.
Hey! Okay, let's go, Empress!
Let's go, Empress!
By the way, this is just a freestyle, okay? So are you ready, my dear Empress?
Yeah!
And here you are with the song of BGYO, Patintero. Again, one more time, Orange Shama, Jury, Ishi, Shai, and Shasha, the Empress.
Yan.
Hey!
Hey! Ay! Hey! Wow!
And here is the power of the Empress.
Ay!
The Philippines.
Grabe, taas na energy. Oh! Hey! Athletic.
Hey!
Ay!
The heart of the Empress.
Oh! Hey! Hey! Yeah! Let's go! Nice! Ano yung mga nasunod ba? Aba!
Oh my God!
Yay! Oh! Oh my God! Grabe yun!
Kailangan tapatan.
Ay! Ay! Sorry pa sa dulo. Thank you so much, Empress, sa
Thank you
energy
so
nyo.
much, everyone.
Grabe, yung energy niya hindi kayang mapantayan. Sobrang taas.
Empress, galing nyo. Sobra. Lahat kayo individually and as a group. Love it. Thank you so much for doing this po.
Yes, kaya guys, i-follow nyo yung Empress, support nyo sila, sobrang gagaling nila.
Diba? Na-impress kayo, Aces?
Oh, di ba? Impress.
Impressed.
Thank you so much, Empress.
More power.
Thank you. Salamat. Bye-bye. Bye.
Ay, nawala na.
Grabe, no? Okay, next for our
Grabe,
next
energy nila.
co-host. Ito ay ang Party Boys!
Yes,
Party Boys!
Are you ready to party?
Yes, let's party! Ayan na!
Ayan na. Ayun!
Ayun! Party Boys, what's up?
Ganda ng outfitan.
Yeah!
So, ayan. Kamusta kayo? So, ayun. Bago ang lahat, magpakilala muna kayo bago mag-perform.
And first of all, guys, we would like to apologize for being late.
Okay lang, okay lang.
It's okay.
No
We are the Party
problem.
Boys, and I'm your rockstar boy Moose.
I'm your Vaughn.
And I'm Mark. And I'm your golden boy Boy.
And I'm Randy. Ay, Rans.
Nagkamali din. Take two.
Okay. Let's go. I'm almost late.
Alright guys, now the Party Boys gonna perform their cover of All These Ladies. Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Foggy moves.
Hey!
Yun!
Yun oh! Grabe naman! Sobrang gagaling nyo, Party Boys! Ayan, may tanong kami sa inyo, gaano katagal nyo pinaghandaan yung choreo na to ng All These Ladies?
Nakatawa niya sila.
3 hours! Grabe! Pero sobrang gagaling nyo. 3 hours nyo lang inaral yung All These Ladies.
We practiced it last night, the original choreo that you have. But I wasn't expecting from the Empress, and we watched them and we was like, oh my goodness, they're prepared. And then, ayun po, on the spot.
Oh!
Kaya yung own choreo nila, parang nung napanood nila Empress.
Oo!
Furthermore, to show you, maybe we can also do the freestyle also.
Oh!
Go!
Pwede!
Go!
Siyempre,
Show them
huwag
what you
kayo
got.
magpapatalo sa Empress.
Light, we have freestyle for light.
Let's go, Party Boys! Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go, Party Boys!
Boys.
Boom!
Pak.
Ay! Ay! Whoa! Let's go! Hey!
Let's go!
Yeah! Yeah! Oy! Oy! Uy! Nag-away! Hey! Yeah! Uy! Grabe. Oh! Pahinga, pahinga. Oh! 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 Grabe mo. Alam na nila yung ano, paano yung kanta.
Go! Give it up for Party Boys!
Grabe, palakpakan natin ang Party Boys!